Which type of electrical wire splice is better? A crimped butt connector or a solder seal splice? Let's find out in this quick experiment. Hello and welcome to Pliersman, your channel for everything about pliers. Today though, we are stepping away from pliers to answer a simple question on should I stick with crimped butt connectors for my electrical joints or switch to solder seal splices? Stick up to the end to know my choice. I am testing both for electrical performance and mechanical strength. This is not a full scientific study, it is just me satisfying my curiosity. For the electrical test, I checked the resistance of each splice with a multimeter. I'm not surprised that both connectors added almost no resistance, so I would say they are equal on that front. Still on the electrical test, I performed an amperage test by using the spliced wires to connect to my UPS's battery. I monitored the current draw and didn't notice anything concerning. So, from an electrical perspective, I would say that both splices conduct small currents just as good. Next is a mechanical test. I tested mechanical strength by pulling on the spliced wires with a G-clamp. The crimped joint failed early, while the solder seal joint held on much longer. So here is my takeaway. If you just need a quick wire splice, both methods work. Actually, you might find crimping to be more convenient because you don't need electricity. Just a pair of wire crimping pliers and some connectors. You might want to check out the Hytonica crimping set I reviewed some time back. But if you want an electrical joint with better water resistance and stronger mechanical integrity, the solder seal splice wins, as long as you heat it properly and let the solder fully bond with the wire strands. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments which type of wire splice you swear by in your wiring projects. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.